Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. I have to say thank you very much to everybody out there, all my supporters. And Bug Out Brad, Yankees Outdoor Adventures, there's a couple more in there. Tranquil Geo, a lot of people. I can't think of all the names, I didn't rehearse this. I just want to say thank you. I have 300 subscribers now. Thank you for your support. I'm learning as I go. I'm all DIY. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, but I gotta put in the hard work and the effort. I have 22 solar panels that someday soon, once I get the proper batteries, I can go off grid. Right now we only have 12 of the 22 solar panels off grid. Thank you, supporters. Please share and like and comment, because I want to grow and I want to get more solar and wind people in here so we can converse with each other as to what the proper equipment. The cheapest is through eBay, because you can buy so many things for free shipping and handling, basically, as why everything's the cheapest for me. And used solar panels is a key factor. And whether you go Amazon or eBay, we can help each other out. And lately, I've been subscribing to the homesteaders, because that's the direction I'm going to go in when I get a new house. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you very, very much. I couldn't have done this without you. Yankees Outdoor Adventures, you get most of the credit. Because of you, I probably have 100 of those subscribers from you alone. And thank you, brother.